Welcome back. In this video, we'll create our model class called journal. But before we create this class, I'll move to the manifest and add the internet permission. And then we need to go to here, this package, and I'll create Java class and I name it as journal. This will be a template for the journal for every post in our application. I'll create the fields. I start with private string title of the journal, private string thoughts, private string image URL, and private string user ID, private timestamp, private string user name. And make sure that you select timestamp of com.google.firebase, not SQL and not other packages. Then I'll create a constructor, an empty constructor, another constructor having all these parameters. Then the getters and setters, Alt plus insert, getter and setter for all of these variables.